امریکہ نے ایران کے ساتھ مذاکرات کے لیے نائب صدر جے ڈی وینس کو اسلام آباد بھیجنے کا اعلان کر دیا۔ وائٹ ہاؤس کی ترجمان نے بتایا کہ ایران سے مذاکرات کرنے والی امریکی ٹیم کی قیادت نائب صدر جے ڈی وینس کریں گے۔ وفد کے دیگر ارکان میں صدر ٹرمپ کے مشیر جیرڈ کشنر اور اسٹیو وٹکوف شامل ہوں گے۔ ترجمان وائٹ ہاؤس نے ایک سوال پر کہا کہ لبنان امریکہ ایران جنگ بندی معاہدے کا حصہ نہیں ہے۔
I can announce that the President is dispatching his negotiating team led by the Vice President of the United States, J.D. Vance, Special Envoy Witkoff, and Mr. Kushner to Islamabad for talks this weekend. The first round of those talks will take place on Saturday morning local time, and we know we look forward to those in-person meetings. The President's maximum pressure and the leverage created by the success of Operation Epic Fury led to the Iranian regime asking for and ultimately agreeing to a ceasefire proposal with the United States. Iran could no longer tolerate being bombed or taking the gamble of what was to come following President Trump's 8 p.m. deadline last night. The Iranians originally put forward a 10-point plan that was fundamentally unserious, unacceptable, and completely discarded. It was literally thrown in the garbage by President Trump and his negotiating team. Many outlets in this room have falsely reported on that plan as being acceptable to the United States, and that is false. Lebanon is not part of the ceasefire. That has been relayed to all parties involved in the ceasefire. As you know, Prime Minister Netanyahu put out a statement last night in support of the ceasefire, in support of the United States' efforts, and he's also assured the President they'll continue to be a helpful part in the course of the next 2 weeks.